What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to get FileLink on your Android phones. So simple to do. We're just going to go right into it. You're going to open up your web browser. I use on my Note 9 a Google Chrome. And once you open up, you're going to enter that in, www.filelinked.com. Once you enter that in, you're going to be prompted this right here. You're going to hit download file link. Once you open that, you're going to hit, that's going to happen. And then once you download, you're going to hit download. You're going to hit open then. Once you open it, you're going to hit install. Okay. And if you don't have unknown sources checked in your settings on your phone, it's going to prompt you to that. And then just allow permission for unknown sources. Once you have that, it's going to say done. Let's clean that up real quick. Once it's done, you're going to see that. You're going to open it. And here you go. That simple. And you're going to enter my code in is 645-39676. That's my channel's APK store. It's real simple to do. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay? Have a great evening. Bye.
Yeah.